In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on Safe Search filter in Chrome. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Chrome web browser. We can head over to home page first, and then we need to tap right here at these three dots and then select Settings. On Settings, we are looking for Privacy and Security. Once you find it, just get into it. And then scroll down until just under Security, you will find Safe Browsing. So guys, first off, we need to get into Safe Browsing. Here, it may be set to Standard Protection or No Protection, which is not recommended. As you can see, it says here, not recommended. And now, if you want to protect your browser against dangerous sites and downloads, I recommend you to select Enhanced Protection. Once you have selected it, go back for one step to Privacy and Security, and down below here, you can easily find Use Secure DNS. Enter it. Select Choose Another Provider here. Tap at that arrow to show up that menu, and then select Clean Browsing Family Filter. Then go back to Privacy and Security again, and then also I recommend you to activate Always Use Secure Connections. Just hit at this switch to turn it on. That's how you can get maximum Safe Search filter in Chrome. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.